Occasionally, we need to change our system access password, and the way to do this is by entering the option here in Security Settings to change the password. This screen has only one button, which is Start Process. When you click on it, you will be taken to this screen asking for your system access email. This is just an additional point. This is one way to start the password reset process. Another way is to go back to the screen I was on, back to Drake, and click here to log out of the system. So, when you click here, you return to the login screen. It asks for your email and password, right, or here, Integrated Authentication. Another way to change the password is by clicking here on Forgot Your Password. This link starts the password reset process, which is exactly the same screen that we accessed through the Start Process button. So both tabs are identical. So, those are the two ways you have to change your password in Drake. So at this stage, you will provide your Drake access email, then proceed to send a verification code. What it does here is actually send a code to this email. You have to get this email and put the code here. This here is the code they sent. It's a matter of copying and pasting it here in this field. So let's do it. CTRL-C, CTRL-V. And then click here to verify the code before clicking the Continue button. When you click on Verify, you notice that it changes the button configuration, indicating that the code was correct. It saw the code you wrote was the code it sent you. It's a way for it to ensure that you really have access to this medium, and it's not possible to change another person's password, right? So after that, click Continue, and at this stage, we will inform our new password. At this point, if I enter an invalid password here, it will warn me. It warned me. It will say what the password criteria are. It must be between 8 and 64 characters and have 4 possibilities. You must use at least 3. So lowercase, uppercase, number, and symbol. So you have to use at least 3 of these 4 possibilities because it says here in this explanation in red. So I'll type my new password here. Repeat the password to make sure it's right. Continue, and there it said change successfully. It will go back to the login screen, and then you can enter the system. Let's try it here, okay? New password will enter the system. So this is the password reset process.